All right, so I put together the next video. Basically what it is it's getting too hot out to use a lot of heating appliances in my minivan. So one of the things I like to reheat foods up with is my Hot Logic Mini. So this is just a little demo of me cooking a little Dollar Tree pizza. Here it is, and thanks for watching. Of course, we're cooking it in my minivan, Fort Sparkles. All right, so we are having the Celeste pizza from Dollar Tree. It looks like I wore Lucy out at the dog beach, but I have a drawer with big seasonings and small seasonings. Now then, this is my Hot Logic Mini, and what I wanted to do was, number one, this defrosted on the roof of my van, so that's pretty limpy. See that? Very good. And great value, probably Walmart. They never have enough seasoning on here. They never do. So with the Hot Logic Mini and the pizza done, it should take like 30 minutes to cook. There we go. There's some oregano. And it is plugged into my Blue Eddy. And let's see, is it getting warm? Yep, that's getting warm. Now the Hot Logic Mini will get up to 165 degrees. Gotta have some garlic parm. Okay, that's all cake, so we don't have any garlic. Do we have any onion powder? We don't, so we're gonna say good enough for that, huh? Yeah, all right. The Italian seasoning was the important thing, and like I said, we'll come back to the van in 30 minutes and lunch will be done. So, okay, I'll show you how I'm gonna finish this. I am going to, you know what? Ooh, that's nice and warm. I am going to protect the top, because I don't want pizza sauce everywhere. There we go. That is wonderful. And then I'm also going to put some blankets on top of it, and it'll cook it even faster when we get to a blanket. There we go. Got a blanket. It's okay, Lucy. We can go back to the dog beach. There we go. All right. See you in 30 minutes for lunch. Yay! Doesn't that look good? And it only took 30 minutes on my Hot Logic. Didn't use up a lot of stuff because it's low wattage cooking. Pretty good. Secretary, roll those screen credits. Thank you very much. I'll see you down the road. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.